Hi everyone, welcome to this channel Tutor Talkie. In this tutorial, now we are going to see AWS EC2 placement group. First, we are going to see what is placement group and what are the types of placement group. In the second section, we are going to see simple hands-on about the placement group. Yeah, let's go now. What is placement group? Placement group determine how instances are placed on the underlying hardware. That is, when you are launching the EC2 instance, the EC2 service attempt to be placed an instance in such a way that all your instances are spread out across underlying hardware to minimize the corrupted failure. So it is like a cluster that you have used in your environment. So it's used for fault tolerance. For that we are using the placement group. Three types of placement group: cluster, spread and partition. First we are going to see cluster placement group. It is a logical group of instances within a single availability zone. It provides the low latency and the high packet per second network performance for the placement group. So it is located in a single availability zone. So for that, the speed of the internet will be very fast compared with the other placement group. So if any hardware is failed in this availability zone, the application running on this zone will be an impact. Single latch request to launch the number of instances that you have need to be in the placement group. So then ideal for HPE application, that is high performance compute. For this application that we are using the cluster placement group. So next we can see spread placement group. The group of instances that are each placed on the distinct rack, with each rack having its own network and power source. The launching instance in the spread placement group reduce the risk of simultaneous failure and might occur when the instance share the same rack. So if any one instance is got failure, it will be in any case critical alert. It will be a less critical. It won't be impact because the application has been racked between each other. For that, it will be split broken group. If any of the instances got simultaneously failure, so the instance will be shared in the same rack, so it won't be any impact. Multiple availability zone in a same region we can be used. You can have maximum of 7 instances per availability zone per group. So you can see only we can use the 7 instances per availability zone per group. Recommended for the application that you have small number of critical instances that should be kept separate from each other. So for that we can using the spread placement group. Next we can see partition placement group. So in this is a group of instances spread across partition. That is the group of instances spread across the rack. So here you can see three type of partition in this example. So we can see in one partition we have 3 instances, second partition we have 3 instances, fourth partition we have 3 instances. This will ensure that partition with the placement group have its own set of rack, each rack having the own network and power source. And the placement group share in the rack, allowing you to isolate impact of hardware failure within our application. And then you can have maximum 7 partition per availability zone. Reduce the likelihood of corrupted hardware failure of the application. Suppose one of the partition is having failed and we can be access the partition 2 and 3. Ideal for the large distributed and replicated workload such as HDFS, HBase, Cassandra across distinct hardware. So basically used for very critical application like big data or some other will be used. Let's we can see the simple hands-on now. Yeah, we are in the AWS management console. I am going with the option EC2. Here in the left hand side, just you can just scroll down and you can see placement group. You click the placement group and we are going to create placement group. So create placement group. So I am creating the placement group. It will like cluster PG and placement strategy I am giving as cluster and just create group. And second I am going to create is a spread PG. Category I mention as spread. And third I am creating as partition. PG, yeah, and as partition. So here is asking number of partition that we need to. So here you can see it's showing us only 7 partition. So that already I may explain in that tutor that I have been seen before. So just now I am giving as 2 and just I am creating the group. Okay, so now right now we have created 3 placement group. It will be cluster PG, partition PG and spread PG. So now where we want to be mention the placement group while creating the EC2 instance that we can be see. Go to instance now. And right now you are going to create the instance going with the next to AMI, and then I am going with the free tier of GBT. So here you can see configuration instance details. So we can mention here placement group, add instance placement group. Just enable this one. It will be show like add to existing placement group or add to new existing place group. So already we have created the placement group, so just we can click here and we can see the all the placement group that have been created. It will be showing here. I mentioned is cluster PG now. So if next you can give the partition PG, it will showing as auto distribution option is be enabled. While we selecting the partition PG, you can click here and you want to mention how much auto distribution need to be set. So then we can go to spread. Here you can see you much by having only 7 more instance in the placement group. So this is the guys. Now we want to enable this placement group in the while configuring the EC2 instance details. So right now I am not be enabled and I am not launching it because it will give a payment while I am creating the placement group. I am just showing how it will be created, where we need to be create. So just I am giving this previous and cancelling this one. I am going to placement group and releasing all the placement group that have been created. Just click here and action and give delete. 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 This guys, if you have any doubt regarding the placement group, please comment on this video, or a mail ID has been given in the description. You can just send the mail to me. I will just check and I will be reverting it. So now you know about how to create the placement group. In the next video we can see a different topic. Until then, bye from Shiva.